Need to send an item back to Temu and require the return label? If you're unsure where to find it and how to print it, you're not alone. Today, we're walking through how to print your Temu return shipping label, step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The process is straightforward. Once your return request is approved by Temu, they provide you with a pre-made label that you just need to print. The starting point, your return request. Go to your order history in your account. Find the order and the specific item you want to return. Click on Return/Refund and follow the steps to state the reason for the return. The crucial step, downloading the label. After the return is confirmed, you'll get an option to download return label or print return label. This is a PDF file. Save it to your computer or open it directly on your smartphone. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: secure the label properly to the package. Print the label at its actual size and cut it out. Use a clear document sleeve or sturdy packing tape to attach it firmly to the box. Don't cover the barcode or the tracking number. A poorly attached label can delay the processing of your return. So, just like that, you're ready for shipment. A correctly printed and attached label is the key to a smooth refund. Now I'm curious, do you find Temu's return process generally simple or complicated? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.